Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Zksync era airdrop, which is most probably going to be in April of 2024. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button as it really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing or airdrop farming. Now we are on Zksync Twitter, and if we go to Gitcoin Passport Twitter over here, as you can see, they have made this tweet like around 8 hours back, saying that Sybils and bots be aware, April is about to be huge. Now I'm 99% sure that this tweet was meant for the Zksync era airdrop, and having a Gitcoin passport of 20 plus is going to be a huge criteria for the Zksync era airdrop. Now I have made a couple of videos in the past stating the importance of having a Gitcoin passport of 20 plus. You can go ahead and check those videos later. Now if we go to guild.xyz over here, and if we check like the number of people having Gitcoin passport score above 20 is only like 119k. Now if they want to filter out multiple wallets in order to like shortlist few wallets for the airdrop criteria, so I think having a level 2 verification with a Gitcoin passport score of 20 plus is very important. And I have mentioned the same thing in my past videos. So I think this should and this will be the main criteria for the Zksync era airdrop. Now this is the official website of passport.gitcoin.co, and as you can see, I have more than 20 score on Gitcoin passport. And along with that, I would advise is to have a Trusta lab verifications also. So Trusta stamp, I think it should be important as well in order to pass the Sybil checks. Now I want to give you another update on the Zksync era network. Is like Zksync era made a tweet about that there would be a native USDC coin that would be coming to Zksync era. Now this would be huge because the reason being, now you don't have to swap your coins and tokens on the Zksync era with Ethereum. So basically you can go ahead and you will be able to swap all your tokens to native USDC, which is a good thing because with Ethereum there is always a chance of the price fluctuation for Ethereum. So it's better to like actually go ahead and swap coins. Like if you have some meme coins or some other native dex coin that you want to go ahead and swap, you can go ahead and swap with USDC. Now I'm not sure what they meant by redeem 1:1 for US dollars. So basically I think so it's like if you want to go ahead and purchase it with some credit card or maybe bank transfer, I think it's in the 1:1 ratio. So basically there won't be any exchange fee, but I think there would be like gas fees, and also there is they have this on ramp and off ramp capability, which is a good thing because like if you want to like actually go ahead and sell on centralized exchange, you would be able to do it in the future and use native USDC on Zksync D app. So yeah, pretty much you can use it anywhere. Like just to name a few, like Hold Station is there, then ZKDX is there, Velocore is there, Reactor Fusion is there. So there are a lot of Zksync D apps which you can use. Now this is a very detailed tweet as to with regards to the USDC that is coming, and I can see Cryptomaze who is having a Moody Mites collection. They have also tweeted this like few days back with regards to the native USDC, and April is going to be a busy month and most probably a airdrop month for the Zksync era airdrop farmers. And what will happen is like basically once the native USDC is very active on Zksync era, you will see all the centralized exchanges. So for example, I will give you the example of Mexi Global over here. So once you go to Mexi Global or any other centralized exchange, so basically you will be able to deposit USDC, and in the network in the future you will be getting this option of like Zksync era over here. So currently there is no option because the native USDC is not implemented as of yet. So once again, I personally think that April should be the airdrop month for Zksync era, and hopefully it's a five-figure airdrop for most of us. And once again, I would just advise. I mean, it's not a financial advice. Is to have a Gitcoin passport score of like 20 plus. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.